everyone, it's Christina here. Welcome back to my channel. In this week's tutorial, we're going to make the most delicious jam cookies. It's a recipe from Switzerland and it was absolutely incredible. You will absolutely love it. I hope you're going to try and make it. And if you like the video and you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, don't forget to subscribe and tap that little bell. That way you get notifications every week when we put the videos up. I hope you're staying safe. Until next time, go break a neck. So ingredients for our Swiss cookies, jam cookies. Jam, I'm gonna use strawberry jam. You can use any type of jam you like. This is 280 grams of butter, 1 tablespoon of vanilla. I have here 415 grams of white flour, self-raising flour, which I've sifted. We're going to need 1 egg white. This is 250 grams of almond flour and 200 grams of sugar, granulated sugar. We're also going to need some powdered sugar just to top it on the top of the biscuits, but that's at the very end. So first, we beat the butter with the sugar together until they are nice and fluffy. Now it's going to go in the fridge for about an hour or two until it's proper cooled down, so we can make the cookies. So after an hour, we get your dough out and we roll it out. I made 12 round biscuits, and now I'm going to do 12 top. That was the bottom. Oh, not this one. Okay, see what happens. So just because we need a top and a bottom, yeah? And so you have to handle them pretty carefully because of the almond composition. They're pretty crumbly, so they're a bit more sensitive than a normal cookie, yeah? Okay, so I'm going to put my first 2 trays in the oven, about 160 Celsius for 10-15 minutes. Just have a look so they don't get bad. So you need a plain, whole, and whole one, yeah? So whole and with a hole. So I'll see you in a bit. So I finished baking the cookies. I got more than I wanted, but it's okay. So you get the halves with a hole, and you grab a bit of icing sugar. You powder them. Then we're going to put them aside. There we go. can't pronounce the way they're called, and I'm not going to try. I'm just calling them Swiss cookies. And I tasted one and it tasted absolutely delicious. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.